Yesterday, what did we discuss, children?
Sound.
About sound vibration
Sound,
and
ma'am.
some
Dhruv,
species,
your
some
voice is
animals also.
breaking. Dhruv, your
Yes,
voice is
ma'am.
breaking. I could not able to hear your voice.
Ma'am,
Okay.
now can you hear?
Yeah, now quite okay. Yesterday we were discussing about sound, children, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So have you
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
Ma'am.
what is
Yes,
sound?
ma'am.
Have you
Ma'am?
understood what is sound?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood what is sound? There is some disturbance somewhere. Mahima, please
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
yourself.
Oh,
Okay, so everybody have understood sound, right? So yesterday we have
Yes, ma'am.
discussed, again there is a disturbance. So we have discussed that sound is a form of energy, okay, and it produces vibrations. We have discussed all these things. Okay, so now where and I have already told you what are vibrations also. What are vibration, children? What is a vibration?
Vibration is the to
To
and fro or
go or
back and
back
forth of
and
an
forth
object.
motion of an object. To
Vibration
and forth and
is
back and
the
forth
to and fro and back and forth motion of an
To and fro, back and forth
object, isn't
of an
it? Of
object.
an
Yes,
object.
ma'am.
Okay, then so I have given you number of examples also, and even you also told me number of examples of it.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
so 1 minute. Okay, so we are discussing about propagation of sound. Yesterday this is the slide where we are discussing about. Okay, so sound requires a medium to propagate. Yesterday I've told you already. Okay, so sound will not travel in vacuum. Sound requires a medium to propagate. Sound definitely requires a medium to propagate. Either propagate means to travel from one place to another place, to go, to move. Okay, it requires a medium. Okay, so sound either it travels through solids or liquids or gases. And sound does not travel in vacuum. Okay, what is vacuum, children?
Empty.
Yeah, empty, where there is nothing. Neither there is air there, neither there are some gases there, or liquids or solids. Nothing is there. It is empty. It is vacuum. Okay, so I have given you how it is traveling through solids. I've given you some
Yes,
example,
ma'am.
and I have told you how it will travel through liquids also. I have given some examples, and I have given some examples like how it will travel through gases also. Sahasra is also missing here. Why? Ritvika, any idea why Sahasra is missing?
Don't know, ma'am.
If you have
No,
any,
ma'am. She's there, ma'am. She's
she's
there, ma'am.
there.
Sastra. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Sastra, yes, ma'am. She's there.
then that's good. That's good and fine. Okay, so now what is happening is sound travels through this solid. Okay, so I told you like how it is traveling through solids. Somebody is talking. Please mute yourself, everybody. Okay,
Satya Prabhat, ma'am.
Satya Prabha, please mute yourself. Okay, so how it is traveling through solids? I have given you one example yesterday. What is the example? In olden days, we have telephones. Okay, telephones used to have landline connections through wires. Okay, so the sound used to travel through this solid wires, and the communication used to transfer from one place to the other place. So this is how the sound used to travel through the solid thread. Okay, so this is how one example of which we can relate with these solids. And next we have one more example quoting to the liquids. Yesterday I told you how the sound travels through the liquids also. The best example is from the water, which we can understand. So everybody knows whales, right? Where the whales are present? Whale is present
ocean.
in the
Ocean.
water,
Water.
ocean. Okay, so what
What?
happens to the whale? It is a big kind of fish, right? So this whales, not only whale, any marine animal you take, it is having a property. You know, the ears of the marine animals are very, very, very sharp. Okay, and then they listen to the sounds, whatever small vibrations happens in the water, they immediately listen and they will catch their prey. They will catch, they'll catch for their food. Okay, they want some small marine animals. Big fish will eat small fishes, and like that one marine animal will depend upon the other marine animal for its food. Okay, that is how they search for their prey. Okay, so this whale also will listen to the sound or echo in water to locate its prey, and that is how, this is an example which we can take it for how the sound is traveling in the liquids, because water is also a liquid. And then again, when you come to the part of gases, gas is nothing but it is a mixture of gases. Sorry, it is a mixture of air. Okay, so uh, if you take air, okay, it is a mixture of gases again. So air is surrounded. When you stand, you have air surrounded. Okay, wherever you go, you have air surrounded. Okay, air is a mixture of gases. Okay, so now you are speaking and your friends were listening to it. You are speaking, your mother is able to listen to it. You are speaking, your father is able to listen to it. Whatever we communicate, the neighboring person is able to understand or listen to your communication, because sound is traveling in air. Air is nothing but mixture of gases. So this is the example which we can relate to how the sound travels in gases. Is this slide clear to you all? Children, is this slide clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So vibration and oscillation, I think this is the slide yesterday where we were discussing about. So I have already told you what is vibration. What is vibration? Vibration is the to
To
and
and
fro,
fro
to
or
and
back and
fro
forth
or
motion
back
of an
and
object.
forth motion of an object. You can easily remember to and fro or back and forth. To and fro and back and forth motion of an object is called as vibration. Okay, vibration is also called oscillatory motion. What motion, children? Vibration is also called as oscillatory motion because it oscillates. It is called as oscillatory motion because it oscillates from one point to the other point and from that point to the other point. Okay, so simple example which we can understand is simple pendulum. Simple pendulum is what which you have been studying from your 5th standard or 4th standard onwards. Okay, simple pendulum is very easy. You have to take one thread and you have to tie a bob for it. Okay, and you will take that simple pendulum to one corner and you will release there. So the simple pendulum will move to the other end, again it will come to the mean position, and again to the extreme position, and again to the mean position. Okay, so it will travel from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back. This movement is also called as oscillation. Okay, so in the diagram whatever it is there, you can clearly see a simple pendulum, and then it was taken to one extreme position called, or one extreme point called A, and then it is released from there. So when once it is released from there, it will travel to the other extreme position called as B. Okay, and from there it is again traveling to the other extreme position called as A. So this motion of the pendulum from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back is called as oscillation. So it is from A to B and back to A. Okay, so this is the motion of a simple pendulum, which is one of the example for oscillation or vibrations. Okay, so can you relate one more example from your real life for this oscillation, children? There, all of you are sleeping. Everybody are okay or sleeping? Children, are you there?
There, ma'am.
Sleeping,
No,
There,
No,
ma'am.
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 eating,
No,
listening to
ma'am.
the lesson or not? All of you are
Listening,
listening to
Listening,
the
ma'am.
ma'am.
lesson. Are you understanding? Okay,
Yes,
so now
ma'am.
tell me, this simple pendulum is one example I have told you for oscillation. Give me one more example for oscillation. Give me one more example for oscillation.
Ma'am, switch.
What is
Ma'am,
that?
table fan.
Table fan.
Table fan.
How? Explain.
Ma'am, fan will also rotate 360 degrees, no, ma'am.
Okay. Next, few more examples. Somebody can give me other example also. Children,
Ma'am,
you can
swing.
give swing.
Swing.
Very good example. Okay, swing. When you are swinging on a swing also, what will happen? You will go to one extreme position and therefrom you will come to the other extreme position and you will go back. So there is a moment of oscillation there. So that is also one of the example. Right? So this is
Swing.
how the vibration and oscillation takes place. It is clear for everybody? Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
once explain vibration, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Vibration is very simple. You have yesterday I told you mobile phone, right? Okay, so mobile phone, if you
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
in vibration mode, what will happen?
It
It
will
will
vibrate
vibrate.
So
when
it
phone
will
call.
vibrate means what will you notice there? What will you notice there? Your phone is in vibration mode, let us say. So what are
The
you
phone will
going to
vibrate. The phone
So
will shake,
that
ma'am. Before.
vibration, that shaking
Yes.
moment is called as to and fro movement. That shaking moment is called as to and fro movement. Okay, or back and forth movement. That kind of movement is called as to and fro movement or back and forth movement. And I have one more example also. You just look into the slides. I will explain you. Okay. So, 1 minute. What is this? What is this? Can anyone tell me?
What, ma'am?
You are seeing
What, ma'am?
screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What you are
Ma'am,
showing,
the
ma'am?
sound which I can see, ma'am.
Sound
Sound.
what you are showing, ma'am. You are showing same
What I
figure.
am
On
showing
first
same?
page, ma'am. First slide, ma'am.
First slide I am showing.
The
Yes,
form
ma'am.
of energy. That slide we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see,
Sound
ma'am.
is a form of energy produced by vibrations.
Now you are able to
This is
see
tuning fork, ma'am.
Yes,
Tuning fork.
ma'am.
tuning
What
fork.
is this, ma'am?
Till now you did not
Tuning
see the
fork.
screen.
Only the sound page we saw, ma'am. That's it.
One page was there, ma'am.
What is this,
I
ma'am?
have
What
shown
is
this
this?
page. 1 minute. I have shown this page. Have you seen this?
No,
Yesterday,
ma'am.
ma'am. Not now.
We,
Yesterday I had shown, ma'am.
Today
Not now.
also I have shown,
we,
but somehow I have missed this. This slide I have explained you once again. Okay, this is how the sound propagates. Okay, this is how the sound propagates, I told you. And sound travels through solid, liquid and gases, I told you. And I have given you examples of telephone, whale and then human beings conversation. Okay, everybody have understood this point, I think so. And next one more slide I have shown you is this vibration and oscillation, how it takes place. I told you there is a simple pendulum. So you can see the simple pendulum here. This is the simple pendulum. Okay. So this is the simple pendulum and simple pendulum. This is the bob. Okay. So when you drag this simple pendulum to this end, and when you leave it, what will happen? It will go here and it will move there, and again it will move here, it will move there and it will again move here. So this movement is called as oscillation. What it is called as? Oscillation. This movement is called as oscillation. Okay, so oscillation means the motion of a pendulum from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back is called as oscillation. A to B and back to A. The motion of the pendulum from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back is called an oscillation. That is A to B and back to A. Okay, now you understood this one, vibration and oscillation. Children, are you there?
Ma'am, once say again, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You know pendulum?
Yeah, ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Have you
Yes,
seen
ma'am, we know.
pendulums in your previous class?
Yes, ma'am, we
Previous
have.
class in the sense not this year, last year and
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
the
ma'am. Yes,
before
ma'am.
years pendulums. So how the
Ah,
pendulum works, Nana?
front and
How the
back, ma'am.
so pendulum, how it works? if you catch the pendulum and if you bring it to one end and if you leave that from that end, how it will move?
Ma'am, it will go front and back, front and back.
So that front and back is called as, it is moving from one extreme position to the other extreme position
Extreme position.
and back. Extreme position to extreme position and back to extreme position and from extreme position to back. There is a swinging movement here. Which movement? Swinging movement from one end to the other end and from other end to the one end. For example,
Yes, ma'am.
O is the position of the simple pendulum, let us say. O is the position of the simple pendulum. So what I have done is I have dragged this O simple pendulum to A position. I have dragged this O simple pendulum to A position and I have left there. I have leaved it. Then what will happen?
It will come to O and again to B and O.
So it will come to O and will go to B, extreme. B is an extreme position here.
Ma'am,
Okay,
then A.
A is another extreme position. Both are extreme positions. This is normal position. What is normal position here?
O.
O is the normal position.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
is one extreme position.
B is another extreme position.
Yeah, B is another extreme position. So how the movement of simple pendulum is taking place here? From one extreme position to the other
Another
extreme position and back vice versa. Okay. So this movement is called as, this kind of swinging movement. This kind of swinging movement is called as oscillation. What it is called as, children?
Oscillation.
It is called as oscillation. So you can see in the slide also, I have written very clearly, vibration is the to and fro or back and forth motion of an object. Okay, vibration is also called oscillatory motion. What motion it is called as? Oscillatory motion. Okay, for example, the motion of the pendulum from one extreme position to the other extreme position and back is called an oscillation. It is A to B and back to A.
A.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
There is nothing confusion in this slide. Very easy. Simple pendulum is there. You have to drag that pendulum to one end and you have to leave from that end. It will go to the other end. Okay. Simply you can do from your home also. You can take one small thread and you can tie a stone to that thread and you can drag that thread to one end. You can leave it so that automatically the swing, it will go into swinging mode. From one end to the other end it will
Understood,
swing
ma'am.
and from other end to the other end it will swing. So that movement is called as oscillatory movement and it is called as oscillation. That's it. Imagine like thread tying to a stone. Okay, shall we move to the other slide? Yes or no? I will ask you questions again, you have to tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Will go, ma'am.
1 minute. So this is about human ears, like how we hear sound through our ears also, it was given clearly. So this is a picture of your ear and you can see clearly what you can see there, children. You can see, what is this? Eardrum.
Ma'am, your voice is somewhat low, ma'am.
Okay, I will
Eardrum.
speak louder.
Eardrum.
So you can see a eardrum there. Somebody is talking. Please mute yourself, everybody. Okay, so here you can see clearly in the picture eardrum. Okay, what it is there? Eardrum.
Eardrum.
Okay, so how we hear sound through our ears? Through eardrums. Sound enters the ear. So
Ear canal.
you know what is your ear? Okay, so in the
Yes,
ear,
ma'am.
inside the ear, you have one part called outer ear and then followed by ear canal and followed by
Eardrum.
eardrum. Okay.
Middle
So
ears.
sound enter. There is some disturbance somewhere. Everybody mute yourself. Somewhere there is some disturbance. So sound enters the ears through the ear canal. So whenever somebody speaks, what happens is sound enters the ear. It enters the ear through the ear canal. You can see the ear canal. In the picture I have given clearly. You can check ear canal where it is there. Okay, it makes the ear drum to whenever sound enters into the ear canal, what happens is it makes ear drum to vibrate. Yesterday in the class I was telling you very clearly like how the sound comes. Sound comes when there is some vibration. Okay, sound is produced whenever there is some vibration happening. So whenever something vibrates, what happens is sound is produced. So here what is happening is it makes the eardrum to vibrate. Whenever sound is entering the ear through the ear canal, it makes the eardrum to vibrate. So then what happens is the eardrum sends the vibrations to the inner ear. So you have an inner ear here. So from the ear canal, the sound waves reaches the eardrum, and this eardrum will vibrate here, and then it passes vibrations to the inner ear. Okay, from there the signals go to the brain, and then we hear the sound. So what will happen is the eardrum, okay, sends the vibrations to the inner ear. From there the signals go to the brain, and then we hear the sound. So is it clear, children, now how the sound is heard? The sound first reaches the ear, and then it travels into ear canal, and from there it travels to eardrum. So what will happen in the eardrum? The sound, the eardrum gets vibrated. Okay, the eardrum vibrates. Sound enters the ear through the ear canal, and it makes the eardrum to vibrate. Then what happens is the eardrum sends the vibrations to the inner ear. Then from there the signals go to the brain, and then we hear the sound.
Sound.
Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
For this process.
Your voice is not clear. Somebody is speaking. I am unable to hear.
Ma'am, once say again, ma'am.
Nothing, Nanna. Ear is there. You imagine your ear. Everybody is having your ears.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You know ear, right? So what is
Ah,
there inside the ear? Ear canal is there. What is there?
yes, ma'am.
Ear canal.
Ear canal.
You put your finger, it will go inside.
Ah,
Isn't
yes,
it?
ma'am.
So that is called as ear canal. Okay. So inside the ear canal, there is some small eardrum. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
small part called as eardrum. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
what will happen is I have shouted. Okay, I came to your, I am speaking to you. You are listening. How is this sound is reaching your ear? It is going into the ear canal, and from there it is going into the eardrum. So what is happening? Your eardrum is vibrating. So
Yes, ma'am.
sound is produced whenever there is vibration. So here eardrum is vibrating. So whenever eardrum is vibrating, sound is produced. This sound is passed to inner ear. Okay, this sound from the eardrum, it is passed to the inner ear. Okay, there is one more part called as inner ear, inside your ear. Okay, you can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
in the picture. So from the inner ear, the signals go to the brain. Okay, these are all internal mechanism of the body. Don't worry, don't think so deep. Okay, this is all internal mechanism. Okay, so internal signals go to the brain. Okay, and then we hear the sound.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand? What is the main
Ah, yes,
concept
ma'am.
you
It's
have to
easy.
understand is eardrum is vibrating here. Okay, and you are able to listen. This point is more important. So this point, why I'm telling is how sound is produced. Sound is produced through vibrations. So how human beings are able to hear the sounds is your eardrums are vibrating. When somebody is speaking, the sound will reach your ear, and then your eardrum will vibrate. and that vibration signals will reach to the brain, and then you hear the sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute.
Next slide.
One minute, children. So can you able to see this? Can you able to see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What is
ma'am. We
the
can
Tuning
see,
picture?
ma'am.
fork.
So it
Tuning
is
fork,
tuning
ma'am.
fork.
Yes, ma'am.
For
That
what
is
it is
used to
used?
for ma'am. That is used to test the people who are
Dumb.
deaf, ma'am.
Deaf,
Means
not dumb.
they will vibrate that and keep near their
Yes.
ear,
Here.
ma'am, so that if they can hear,
Here, then
they'll give
the
one
ears are working. It's not a. No.
they'll give one machine also, ma'am. By that.
So
Yes.
this is a tuning fork. Very good. You have very good information with you. Very good. Okay, I have taken this tuning fork to explain you vibrations. How the vibrations are taking place. So I
Ma'am,
have
yes,
taken.
ma'am. If we'll beat this fork and if we touch it, it will vibrate for 10 seconds, ma'am.
So this tuning fork is having what does the tuning fork have? It has is it has some two tines. Okay, so tuning fork has two tines. What are the two tines? This is one tine.
Eins means what, ma'am?
Parts
Science means
means
what, ma'am?
this is what I'm showing. It has two parts.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, like this. This is one tine and this is another tine. Okay, tuning fork
Okay, ma'am.
has two tines. Okay, Tines. What it is?
Tines.
Tines. Okay, this is one tine and this is also another tine. So tuning fork is having two tines. Okay. So when you hit with
Yes,
a
ma'am.
rubber hammer or rubber cork, okay, when you hit the tuning fork with rubber hammer or rubber cork, what will happen, children? When you hit or when you
It will
beat
vibrate, ma'am.
the tuning fork with a rubber hammer or rubber cork, it will vibrate. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it will
So in the
vibrate.
picture, can you see the dotted lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those dotted lines are nothing but vibrations of the tuning fork.
Yes,
Okay, the
ma'am.
dotted lines are back and forth motions of the to and fro motion of the tuning fork, or back and forth motion of the tuning fork is represented in the dotted lines in the form of dotted lines. Did you see that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is how the tuning fork works. Somebody have asked me what is to and fro motion or what is back and forth motion. So in this slide I have taken a tuning fork and I was beating this tuning fork by the help of a rubber hammer or a rubber cork. So whenever I beat the tuning fork, it will vibrate. So the dotted lines are the vibrations of the tuning fork. These vibrations are nothing but to and fro or back and forth movement of the tuning fork. Okay. So this is what, Nanna? This slide, what are you understanding with the help of this slide?
Sound.
So I have taken a tuning fork and I have bet the tuning fork with the rubber hammer and immediately I kept inside the water. So what will happen? What will happen here? The water molecules will scatter. Why? The water in the glass is scattering there. Why? What is the reason? Because of vibrations. Okay.
Vibration.
This is all you can do in your home also. You can take a spanner. Okay, you can take a spanner or something, you can vibrate it and you can put in glass of water. Then there are some waves created inside the water. You can take a water, you can take water in a glass and you can vibrate the spanner or something, and you can keep immediately inside the glass of water, and then small waves are created in the water, or suddenly water is disturbed. So this is all because of vibrations. Have you not seen this kind of incidents in your home?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Common.
Yeah, you will be observing in your daily life also.
Ma'am, this is there in our science lab also.
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. So, tuning fork. The fork consists of a handle and two tines. I have already told you what are tines. Okay, so the fork consists of a tuning fork consists of a handle and two tines. Okay, when the tuning fork is hit with a rubber hammer, the tines began to vibrate. So when you hit the tuning fork with a rubber hammer, what will happen is the tines began to vibrate. Did you understand, children? The tines began to vibrate. Okay, the back and forth vibration of the tines produce disturbances in surrounding air molecules. So these vibrations, okay, these vibrations, they will create some disturbances in the surrounding air molecules or surrounding water molecules, and that's the reason waves are produced. Okay, you can see waves. Okay, you know what are meant by waves? Waves. What is a wave? Children, these are all basic concepts which you have to study in 4th and 5th grade, and now you are into 8th grade, and if I am asking you some basic concepts again, you don't answer, then what does it mean? Tell me. You don't know what is meant by wave? Very bad. Okay, so anyways, I will explain you because what is happened? So anyways, now we are running short of time also. So I will explain you why waves concept in the next class. But today we will learn about tuning fork. Okay, the back and forth vibration of the tines produce disturbances in surrounding air molecules. So whenever the tuning fork is bent with rubber hammer, the tuning fork will vibrate. So this vibration creates back and forth motion of the tuning fork. So whenever I kept this tuning fork in water, if I take the vibrating tuning fork and if I place inside the glass of water, you can see the glass of water, the sprinkling of the water, or the water is getting sprinkled, or the water is getting disturbed there. So how means it is disturbing? It will, whenever this back and forth motion is there, or whenever some vibrations are there, it will cause disturbance in surrounding air molecules or surrounding water molecules. If it is there in water medium, it will create disturbance in water molecules, and if it is placed in air, it will create disturbance in air molecules. Okay, because prongs of the tuning fork vibrate. Prongs means nothing, tines. Okay, as prongs of the tuning fork vibrate means as tines of the tuning fork vibrate, it moves alternatively outwards and inside inwards. So there is a movement, to and forth movement, back and forth movement, outward and inward movement, all are same. Okay, so generally the vibrations are like back and forth movement, to and forth movement, outward and inward movement. So this is all about the tuning fork. Okay, is it clear to you all?
Yes.
Is this points clear to you all?
Ma'am, answer the next time, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's clear, ma'am.
The fork consists of a
Say in
handle
short,
and two
ma'am. Say
tines.
in short, ma'am.
Nothing is there, to a back and
Clear,
forth
ma'am.
motion is there.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
whenever
clear,
there is
ma'am.
some back and forth motion, there is disturbance in surrounding air, because molecules are there. Atmosphere consists of molecules, water consists of molecules. Whenever this tuning fork vibrates, there is a disturbance. You can see in this picture, 12th picture, I have clearly shown you how the water molecules are getting disturbed. So it is in water medium now, so hence whenever the tuning fork, vibrating tuning fork, is placed inside the glass of water, then all the water molecules are scattered or sprinkled. There is a disturbance of water molecules. Same when you are speaking also, what will happen? The sound will come from your mouth. So when it is traveling to the outside, so the air molecules are getting disturbed there. That is what it is telling. The back and forth motion of the tines produce disturbances in surrounding air molecules. Okay, this prongs is nothing but tines. Okay, the tuning fork consists of these two columns now, like those tines are called as nothing but prongs. We call them as prongs. So when you vibrate the tuning fork, it moves alternatively backwards and inwards. It moves alternatively
Understood, ma'am.
outwards and inwards. That is what. There is nothing tough or logics involved in it.
Understood, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, last
Satya
60
Prabhat
seconds, ma'am.
respond. Okay,
We
Satya
would
Prabhat
modify
respond.
with alternate
Okay,
context.
anyways, for you homework is course book read page content sheet 1.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
don't have course book,
you have
ma'am.
to purchase.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to
Ma'am.
Thank
purchase,
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
or else you have to write running notes. Homework is the same and you have to do. Okay,
Okay.
I'm
What, ma'am?
concluding.
What is homework, ma'am? We should
You
write
have
running
to
note.
read content sheet 1. I will ask you questions. Theme 3. Theme 3
Okay, ma'am.
content sheet 1 you have to read. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. And
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
You can end now.
Okay. Ma'am, okay. Bye, ma'am.